Hi everyone, the School Counseling Shared Activity Calendar is now ready for use. What you'll do is you'll go into Google and go to the School Counseling Curriculum and Instruction folder. Then in there you'll see another folder that says Counselor Activity Calendar. Double click it, open it up, and you'll see that there's a doc in here called Link to Counselor Activity Calendar. When you open that up, you'll see there's a link right here. If you click on the link, a calendar will pop up, and you can see that it says October 2020 with the dates and days of the week across the top. Then you'll pick whatever date you want. So if we say Friday the 16th, you double click. On the top you can add a title called Meeting, and it lasts from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, October 16th. You can add a location in the gym. If there's a description you'd like to add, you can do that as well, and then you'll click Save. When you click Save, you'll see that it's saved right there on the calendar. If anything needs to be changed, go ahead and double click it again, and you can go back into it and modify anything you need to do. Please let me know if you have any questions about this, and this calendar is what we'll use throughout the whole school year. Thanks so much.